Hello friends, welcome again to my world of creativity. My name is Smita Sonthalia. I'm a contemporary artist practicing art for 18 years. I live in the UK and work from my studio in North London. Born in India and growing up in a vibrant and diverse culture, I pursued Masters in Fine Arts. I draw inspiration from nature, spiritualism and women. My paintings have been exhibited at many solo and group exhibitions and art fairs in Singapore, India and UK. Painting is love, work, play and meditation and prayer for me. Most of my paintings are mixed media and acrylic on canvas, though I have done several oil on canvas as well, creating a variety of paintings like figurative, floral, folk and abstract. I experiment with textures, layers, inks, lines, patterns in my work to create something unique. Today I want to talk about my recent works, Dancing Peacock, Lotus Feet and Sohamandal. All three are commissioned art. Commissioned art is basically made-to-order paintings by clients. One common theme that rules across these is the fusion of traditional art forms with modern techniques and styles. Dancing Peacock. My client wanted to have a blue peacock painting for her new house. I started with a wash of sea green in the background, followed by textured white clay to give a 3D effect to the body. I used a semi-realistic technique with rich colors and texture to give a modern look, with intricate detailing in each feather. Round canvas enhances the dancing effect. Do note the catchy blue shades and the subtle yet shiny gold giving the painting a premium look. This is absolutely stunning, said my client when she saw the finished work. My next painting, The Lotus Feet, is for a client who is also a devotee of Lord Swaminarayan. She expressed the idea of getting the Lord's feet painted in a large-sized canvas for her living room. We brainstormed and agreed to create a fusion, the feet in traditional original form with a lotus modern art in the background. The journey started with a wash of yellow in the background, followed by multiple layers of relief clay, coating for the feet and chins, the Lord's symbols. Clay on canvas is delicate craftsmanship. I thoroughly enjoyed the deep color palette of the semi-abstract lotus petals and the matte look. I have used original gold on the chins inspired by Tanzore art, a classical art form from southern India. Gold lends a sense of realism and charisma while providing long-lasting golden effect. When my client saw the final piece, she commented, "This painting is a replica of my imagination and I love it." Nothing gives more joy to an artist than giving life to an imagination. Sohamandal. My client wanted white patterns in the blue background. I decided to paint it in a mandala art form, a traditional art form of geometrical patterns. To give it a unique look, I did layers of dabbing in the background and then drew the mandala with intricate white patterns. I used pens, inks, acrylics. Multiple layers of white has been added to make it look more prominent. The circular design symbolizes the idea that the life is never ending and everything is connected. This painting is very beautiful and its simplicity and depth you can always see. All my paintings are unique and I don't make a second copy, whether commissioned or my own original art pieces. Hope you all have liked my artworks in this video. I would also like to thank my clients for their patronage. I would like to thank you all for your continued support. For more artworks, please visit my website and follow me on Facebook page and Instagram. Thank you.